Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are delighted to share with you this refreshing and delicious salad. So, we start with chopping the tomatoes, cucumber, red onion and feta cheese. We transfer them to a mixing bowl. Then we add the watercress, we add the olives and honey mustard dressings. Then we mix them all well. We serve it into a salad bowl and we garnish our salad with croutons, with chives and lemon. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please share and see you next time with another recipe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.